guys, welcome back to my channel. So I hope you like my video, and today's video is about a vlog. So today I am at a Statue of Unity, Kevadia, and so first we are gonna see this, a whole wildlife sanctuary. So it's a really amazing place, guys. So I'm really excited for this. So let's go. Here with me, that is my family. So come with me. So we'll go inside now. It is a really beautiful place, guys. Really beautiful. Here you can see the deer. All the place there are animals, and then we will go inside and I will show you whole vlog. So let's wait and then we will go inside. So guys, अभी हम आ गए हैं अंदर, and you can see here is the chameleon and one more there. So let's go to another place. So wow, here are small cuties. You can see. So this is the ring-tailed ramar, which is sleeping right now. So guys, we are entering this abode of carnivorous. So let's go. So here we enter the abode of carnivorous. There is a water falling. It's waterfall. Here is the waterfall. Now we are gonna go inside. So guys, here are several kids which have leopard type skin.
Yes.
Sleeping very silently. This is a silver fox. She's sleeping right now. We can't wake up them. So this is silver fox. So this is lion. So you can see there are one more. There is one more lion. All type forest area they made. As you seen, they're making sound. Guys, here is a llama, alpaca, wali, and emu. Other animals. Let me show you. So here is a zebra. Can you see? Yes.
Zebra crossing.
So this is zebra. So here is he. Leopard. Tiger. Sitting so quietly. Nancy? So अभी हम कार में बैठे rhino.
સૌથી વધારે મધ્યપ્રદેશ છે એટલા માટે આપણે જે કારકિર્દી પાણીમાં કરતા હોય એ લોકોના ગામડાઓ વધારે ગયા હતા. બીજા નંબરમાં મહારાષ્ટ્ર છે એટલે સૌથી ઓછા આપણા ગુજરાતના ગયા હતા. એટલે ગુજરાતને આપણે સૌથી વધારે પાણીનો ફાયદો છે 95% સૌથી ઓછી
95% પાણી આપણામાં ને
95 એટલે મોટા ભાગનો પાણીનો ફાયદો જે થાય છે બરાબર, જે કેનાલ દ્વારા ફાયદો છે ને એ બે પાયલોટ છે ને બે હસબન્ડ વાઈફ ગૌરવ ને એ બે ગઈકાલે જ ફોર્યું જો થયું
થયું
હા
વાહ અવાજ ફરી ગયો છે પિકઅપ એટલે ઓલું માં ઝાડી એટલે મૂકી દે આમાં મગરમાં છોય ને આમાં તો ભટકાય નાની આઈ રે લેન્ડિંગ થતું હોય ત્યારે હા જવા ચડી ગઈ એટલે પાણી માં જાય પાણી નું ઉપર ને ઉપર ઉપર આઈ કેમ તો દે એટલે હું એમ કહે પાણી ઉપર જાય કે આડા આમ ગમે પાણી ઉપર નહીં
હવામાં
સમજી ગયો ઉતરવા ટાણે અહીંયા ના ગમે નહીં જાય રસ્તો બદલાવે ગમે એ તો પાણીમાંથી જાય એમ ઉપડે પાણીમાંથી કેમ બોલું એરપ્લેન રસ્તામાંથી ઉપડે એમાં પાણીમાંથી ઉપડે બીજું કઈ નથી
એકવાર આવી
This is the tent city where you can do anything. You can do cycling and you can rest also there. The waves all. So guys, we are finally at the Statue of Unity. So that's the statue you can see, and we're inside it. So the बहुत भीड़ है guys. See. So yeah.
માવાઈ લઈ લીધા
એનો અને હું એક જ મિનિટ
So guys, one more lift आ गई है.
મહેનત ના કરવી પડે બરાબર
So मैं आपको लिफ्ट क्रॉस करने के बाद मिलती हूँ.
તે
So
ઉતાર
guys, one more lift आ गई है. So guys, mask is important. आ गई है one more lift. उसे क्रॉस करते हैं. So here are 4 lifts. Let's go. I'm walking guys in the lift. सबके मैं बैठी आपको लिफ्ट क्रॉस करने के बाद. There is hall, Statue of Unity. Guys, this is the whole area inside the Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel statues. So let's go ahead and see it. So here is one more murti, which is really nice. And here it's written how they made a statue. Guys, it's a really beautiful place. You all can visit here. So this is the how they got constructed into just 45 months. So let's go here. So here is also all things. So guys, यहाँ से मैं आपको दिखाने वाली हूँ. ये है थिएटर. So ये इसकी बहुत अच्छी सी डिज़ाइन हो रही है guys. So here is all the birds pictures and all animals and all. You can see. And yeah, it's here at a one floor. It's just this much. It's like a big hall, guys. So from there we go. So now, after some time, after I will do some clicks photos, I will do. Then we will go to second floor. So let's go and click some photos. Okay, I will meet you after some time. So this is the inside structure of all.
દેખાય જો સરદાર સરોવર ડેમ ને બધું આખું દેખાય અડધો પહોંચી ગયા
So here we are.
दोनों पहाड़ियों को जोड़ते हुए जो डैम है वो डैम का सपना ही सरदार वल्लभ भाई पटेल का था 1926 में सरदार वल्लभ भाई पटेल ने सोचा था कि नर्मदा नदी का पानी बिना यूज हुई समुद्र में
Let me
मिक्स
show
नहीं
you.
कैसे
We are here at the net of Sardar Vallabhbhai Fort.
कच्छ तक पानी जा ही रहा है और डैम भी मोदी जी ने कंप्लीट कर दिया है 17 सितंबर 2018 हुआ है डैम बनाने में बहुत साल लग गए 56 years अभी पीछे पानी है बैक वाटर
Guys, now we are going to go at the viewing gallery of the statue. So let's go. Guys, this is a really amazing moment because we are standing in the heart of the Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Yeah, very excited. Guys, right now I'm in theater and we are seeing this. So I'll meet you after that. Guys, this is the whole way and we are going upstairs, so come with me. So guys, now we are at upstairs and guess what, where am I? I'm at the foot of the Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Let me show you. So yeah, that's all, and let me show you the view from here. Follow me. Come. So here is the view of all the Kevadia. See. So यहाँ पे ये So yeah, this is that. So yeah, that was the vlog of the Statue of Unity. I hope you all liked my video and please like, share and subscribe to my channel to see all my vlogs and all other videos. Bye bye. Stay safe. I love you all. Bye bye.